Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a lovely tea time snack. It's cabbage pakora. Let's get started. Just remove the leaves. Cut out the center, thick stalk here, we don't need this. Keep everything together, roll it up, you're going to cut it. So you can see the thickness, it shouldn't be too thin because while making the pakoras you want a little bit of texture. So this thickness is good. So when you roll them up like this and cut it, you will get this. Take a nice wide bowl and add the cut up cabbage leaves. To this I'm going to add a few ingredients, starting with a little turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, add some salt, add a teaspoon of Ajwain, Carom seeds, add 2 cups of gram flour or Besan. I'm just going to gently mix all these ingredients together. Just slowly incorporate the water. Get the batter to coat the leaf. I'm going to gently drop the coated cabbage leaves. Okay, fry them till you get a lovely golden brown color and remove them from the oil. So there you have the simple and delicious cabbage pakora that you can make for your tea and enjoy with your family. We've all tried different pakoras like onion pakora, cashew pakora or something else, but have you tried beetroot carrot pakora? Well, I have a recipe here that you can try making at home. Let's take a look at the ingredients. So it's pretty simple. You just need to mix all the ingredients together. First, add the vegetables. Then you add the pieces of ginger, green chili, chopped coriander leaves, onions, few curry leaves, salt, chili powder, ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon. So after adding all the veggies, just gently mix them together. Since you've added the beetroot, the color is definitely going to be lovely bright red. And then you're going to add the 2 different flours, that is the Besan and the rice. So the proportion is 1:2. So if you're putting 1 tablespoon of rice flour, you would add 2 tablespoons of Besan. So this is the proportion I would recommend. And I'm going to add some rice flour. So just make sure the veggies are coated. You don't need to add any water because as it is, there's enough moisture in the vegetable. So don't need to add any extra water. This is the consistency that you're looking for. If you see, the vegetable is coated with the flour, but it's not completely, immersed in the flour. So you don't want to overpower or add too much of flour and make it too gluggy. So that otherwise you won't get a nice crispy texture for your pakora. It will be more like a bhaji consistency. So let's start frying this. Make sure that you have enough oil and it's hot before dropping the coated vegetable batter. Just drop gently, little by little. Make sure you check for seasoning before you start frying them. Make sure you remove the pakoras when they are lovely golden brown in color. There you have these absolutely crunchy beetroot carrot pakoras. Do try it and enjoy it with your family. Today's recipe is a lovely bread paneer pakora. It's a very simple dish but very tasty. I'm sure the kids will love it. Just try it. Let's check out the ingredients now and see how we can make this. So first I'm going to prepare the batter for the bread paneer pakora. For that I've taken about 1.5 cups of Besan, that is gram flour, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt, chili powder 1 teaspoon, Carom seeds or Ajwain 1 teaspoon. Mix everything. Gradually add the water. So you want a nice thick batter for these pakoras, you don't want it very runny. So I've cut the paneer into 2 slices. Now this is a 200 gram block. I've just cut it into half because I'm going to use a thick slice, but if you don't want it so thick, you can use a thinner slice. So I have 2 slices of sandwich bread here, that is white bread. If you don't want white bread, you can use brown bread. So I have mint and coriander chutney. I'm going to put this on one side of the slice. I'm going to spread the date and tamarind chutney. This is the sweet chutney of the other slice. Paneer. This is why I cut the whole block of paneer. Close it. We're going to cut one sandwich into 4. So make sure you cut them diagonally so you get these equal and even sized triangles. Make sure the oil is nice and hot. Now we're going to dip this sandwich into the batter. You can see the batter is quite thick. Make sure the batter is nice and thick so that it coats the sandwich well. Fry it till you get a lovely golden brown in color. You don't want it too brown. There's your lovely, yummy, perfect bread paneer pakoras. So now you know how simple this is. Just get all the ingredients together and try this. You can have it. You can make it like a weekend snack for your kids on a Sunday afternoon. I'm sure they'll all enjoy it. You can have it for tea or when you have guests at home. It's that tasty. So do try and enjoy. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram.